natural beauties, welcome back to my channel. Wagwan, welcome back to another video. I've been putting this video off for a while and I'm finally ready to do it. So today I'm going to be calling my subscribers. A couple of you guys had sent me your numbers via Snapchat and Instagram. If you're not yet following me there, go ahead and follow me. Yo, the lights are bright. Go ahead and follow me on those two platforms if you have not followed me already. So I told you guys a couple weeks ago, DM me a number, snap me a number, I'm going to be calling you guys. So I have, I think about 12 or so numbers here that I actually got. So I'm going to call you guys right now. And, oh wait, I need to put my credit on first. I bought $600 worth of credit. I think that should be enough. So before I put this on Digicel, I'm going to make sure to tell you, don't try me, okay? Do not. All in Jamaica, I don't know what Digicel stay, but yeah. Let me put these on first. It's freaking hot. Alright guys, so the credit is on and I am dialing, okay? I am ready to dial. So the first person I'm going to call is my girl Sarika Kelly. She does makeup on YouTube. She does YouTube videos and all them good some of it as well. So you guys probably want to check her out. I'll have her link in my description. But this is like my sister, guys. I have a lot of YouTube sisters and she is one of them. Sarika Kelly, guys. Sarika Kelly on everything. So I'm going to call her right now. Oh God, why people not stop WhatsApp me while I try to do this? Should I turn my Wi-Fi on? I'm going to turn my Wi-Fi off. If you guys hear random sounds, the neighborhood is very noisy, okay? I think this is right. Let me put a 1 before this. I don't know where she is. Oh, she's in Ohio. Okay, mama. I see you. I hope you guys can hear. And then my battery's dying, guys. My phone is on 19%. It's not ringing. Guys, I don't know, but that call wasn't going through. Let me try again. It's not ringing or nothing. I wonder what time it is there. Hey, hey! What's good?
Hey!
You alright, mama? I wasn't getting it the first time I tried. I don't know what happened. What going? Oh, Zin? You filmed today?
No, I just come home from work. So I'm going to check my phone and say,
From when I film, yo? I don't know. From when I film, but I keep on if I put it off.
You film now?
Yes, I'm recording. May I film it? So it's going to go on YouTube next week. Yes.
Why? I'll listen to me and watch you.
Yes.
Like this thing you always be watching.
Hey, Steven.
Hello.
How you doing?
I know. I think it's alright, though. I remember a question to ask you and talk to you what I know in my mind now.
Alright, but here we are going to do a snap because you don't know Digicel teeth on stage.
Alright.
Alright, mama, later.
Oh, how do I come to the shower and watch it too?
A little bit.
Baby, so much. Alright, bye-bye.
Alright, so that was pretty funny. Always a character, but you don't know. Big up yourself, Sarika. I'm gonna call my girl Chanel Dennis. This is actually one of my subbies turned clients turned friend. So she is in Florida, I think. So I'm gonna call her right now. I do to Osha go bite off my head if I'm gonna call her. Perfect.
Hi, my baby.
Hi, my baby. Wagwan. May I film this? So I'm gonna find YouTube, see it? You good?
Yes, I'm good, honey. How are you?
I am okay. Come home from like one whole long day of errand running today, and then I go cook and then I film this now. So it's been a productive day. Yeah, you see, she stay, guys. She start my Snapchat, you know. I be a food cheater, what you know? Be a food cheater. So you say I forward December.
Yes, sir. I'm watching.
Alright, good. I go put it up for you.
Alright.
Alright, later.
Alright, bye-bye.
She's too funny. Alright, next person I'm calling is Charming. Okay, so her snap name is Charming Sharmodina. I think I said that right. I don't know because my handwriting right now is crap. Alright, so that's her snap name, and her YouTube name is Charm Wonders. Okay, that's her name on YouTube. I have no idea where she is, but this looks like England. I'm not sure. Let me see. Guys, I'm so sorry if I'm waking anybody up. It's like basically 5:30 here, 5:30 p.m. So I hope I'm not waking anybody up. If I did wake you up, I'm so sorry.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Is
it Toya?
Yes, it is. How are you?
I'm not too bad. I wasn't even expecting you to call.
I had to. You gave me a number, so I had to call you.
Yeah.
Thank
you so much.
That's fine. Where are you? What country are you in right now?
I'm in the UK.
Okay, you're in the UK. Lovely. What time is it there?
It's nearly 2011.
Okay, so it's pretty late.
Right in my bed.
I know, right?
Yes.
I just wanted to call and say hi and thanks so much for your support.
Oh, it's not a problem. It's a pleasure just kind of, watching your videos and seeing all the hard work,
Yes.
It's not easy, but I have to support 100%.
Thanks so much. I had to call and say thank you.
It's absolutely fine. Thank you so much for calling and healing me up.
Yeah, man. And I see you sent me Charm Wonders. That's your name on YouTube?
Yeah, that's my name.
Are you active?
Just one video, but I want to.
Okay.
It's just the time to end it. It's up to me.
I know, right? Like, that's my problem. I might film this now, but I have no idea when it's going up. Because editing is a drag.
Oh my gosh, I don't know how you're doing.
Believe me, like, I feel like...
3 videos a week. I'm like, this girl should not upload on.
Listen, and you watch, there are a lot of other people that I watch, and they go so hard. I'm like, dang. I don't know. It's a lot.
Wow.
Hopefully, I know, like hopefully when you get like consistent, when you're ready, then we can collab one day.
It'll be so good.
I know, right?
We'll send you a quick message.
Alright, Charm, thanks so much. I will not. I will never forget. Oh, this is actually going on YouTube. You want to say hi?
Oh, hi everyone. I'm fine.
Alright, Mama, talk to you.
Alright, take care of yourself and thank you for calling.
Yeah, man, no problem. Bye.
Alright, bye girl. Bye.
Guys, it's so hot. Her voice was beautiful. Let me turn the fan on for a quick second. Guys, I'm about to call Sophie Davis. Her IG name is Super Nurse Lady. That's her name on IG. I'm about to call her right now. Aww. Alright guys, I didn't get through the first time. Let me try again.
Please leave your message for.
Alright guys, I'm a third times a charm type of person, so I'm gonna call her a third time. So if y'all missed this call, y'all know it wasn't my fault, okay? I'm calling 3 times. Alright, so I tried 3 times, didn't get her. But Sophie Davis, big up yourself. So she actually sent me a really nice message on IG when I was asking for the numbers. Oh god, my battery is dying, guys. When I was asking for the numbers, she sent me a really nice message, and I just want to say thanks so much for your support, mama. Big up yourself. So we're gonna call the next person. I have, let me tell you guys how many more numbers I have to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I think I have 6 numbers to go. Let's go. Oh, I'm gonna be calling my girl Life as Ken right now. I actually have her number stored in my phone, okay? So she's also a Jamaican YouTuber. She sent me her number saying, yo, call me. So everybody's so busy on this Friday.
You've reached the voice.
Alright, that's 1. 2 more attempts. You guys know the drill. The mosquito yan near me door.
Hello?
Ken?
Yes?
Hey.
What's up?
Walk on.
Mm-hmm.
May you don't know somebody send me that call, so this is the call, yeah?
Yeah.
May I film it? What you doing?
Over there, I'm trying to put on one style for home.
Oh, is it for their ear now?
Yes.
Well, may I call for say hi. You don't know the call up I go up. See a video. So may I just do the whole what you call it? Do the compilation when I get everybody's video. And the deadline for that is Monday. You know the joke, I read the message, but yeah. Alright, so big up yourself, mama. Say hi to YouTube.
Hi, YouTube. That's my channel.
Yes, girls, follow her. Life as Ken on YouTube. Yeah? Alright, so later, mama. Alright guys, I'm gonna be calling my girl. Her IG name is Terry_Vassal. Her name is Terry Ann. So let me call her right now. Oh shoot. Guys, my eyes are bad. If I never ever mentioned it, my eyes are really bad. Oh, and she's also in Jamaica, it seems. Guys, everybody's getting turned on this Friday. What's going on? She gave me 2 numbers. Let me try the other one. Let me try.
You've reached the voicemail box.
That one they got straight voicemail. Okay, I guess that phone is off. I'm gonna try the other one more time, just because that still classifies as 3 calls, right? Alright, Terry, wherever you are, big up yourself. Whenever I get you, I'm a call you, but I hope you're having a wonderful Friday. Thanks so much for the support. Thanks for the love. Yeah. Alright, I knew some of you guys are gonna miss it, especially since it's a Friday. I'm gonna kinda get that one day, isn't me? It's like it's early. A lot of people are probably like, oh, turning up and thing. Everybody not boring like me. I'm gonna be calling my girl Kishana. Her YouTube channel is Kishi Audio Vlogs. Check her out, guys. She does a lot of motivational videos, giving you guys advice and all them good stuff there. I watch her quite a lot. Kishi, big up yourself. Let me call you right now and tell you what I'm saying.
Hello,
Hello.
good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Kishana.
Hi.
How you doing?
I'm good.
Do you know who you're talking to?
No, I don't.
You're talking to Toya.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
How
Yeah,
are you?
you're actually gonna be live on YouTube right now. Say hi to everybody.
Hi, everyone. How you doing?
I know, right? I can hear you. You're actually working this late? It's like to 6.
Yes, I know.
Work is so demanding, isn't it?
Yes.
Just wanted to say hi and thanks for always watching me, and we're watching. So guys, go ahead and check out Kishi Audio Vlogs on YouTube.
No problem. Alright, thank you so much for giving me a call and taking the time out. Alright.
Yeah man, alright.
Bye. Take care.
Bye. She's at work, guys. I guess not everybody's turning up tonight at this hour. It's like almost 6 o'clock. Alright, I'm gonna be calling my girl Salika. I hope I'm pronouncing your name right, mama. If I'm not, so sorry. I think it's Salika. Her IG name is salik.a. So yeah, I'm gonna be calling her. Let's try again. I have a 3-call rule. Y'all are just so busy. Alright, that was number 2. Last one. I didn't get you. Wait. Alright guys, so I have somebody here. She ended up here because grandma busy, right? Grandma have something else to do, so I have to hold Marla right now. Grandma had her first, so now it's my turn. Alright, I only have 2 calls left actually. I called my girl Salika just now, didn't get her. Big up yourself, mama. Thanks for the support, thanks for the love. I don't know guys, y'all are turning up on this here Fine Friday. Guys, a yard clothes, them are yard clothes, okay? She's wearing yard clothes. My Jamaican people know yard clothes, yeah. I have 2 more persons to call, okay? Cindy and hush mommy, yeah. Cindy actually shows me so much love, guys. Like legit, the love is unreal, right, Marla? The love is unreal, guys. So right now I want to call her so bad, and she's actually all the way in Kenya. So I really hope she can take my call. Fingers crossed, guys. Her name on IG is cindy.ca. Okay, so excited. She's in Kenya, guys, so this one's gonna be interesting.
We're sorry, but your call cannot be completed.
Or not. Let me check the number again, because alright guys, I'm gonna try Cindy one more time. My battery actually died just now. I'm gonna try her one more time and see, because she's so loyal. I really wanted to call her, so let me see if I can get through again.
Sorry, the number you have dialed is...
Something about the number, I don't know if I probably got it wrong or I wrote it wrong. I'm sorry, Cindy, but I love you so much. You always show me continuous love and support, and I really appreciate you. If you see this, drop me a comment down below. I actually had one more person to try. This is my friend from church when we were younger. You know, we used to go to church together and all of that. So she's like not young anymore. She's a big woman now. So I'm gonna call her. Her name is Glacian, Empress Glacian on IG. Alright guys, I actually tried her 3 times now because I was recording while my battery was dead. I had no idea. But I don't know, it was fun talking to you guys. And I did this definitely because I wanted to show you guys I really appreciate your love and support. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you did enjoy. Drop me a phone emoji, guys, if you want me to do a part 2 to this. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you're not already subscribed to become a part of the gang, okay? Click the bell so you can be a part of the what did I just say? Click the bell so you can be a part of the notification gang. And yeah, thanks guys so much for watching. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Mwah.